Lampard now, spun too high for Kalou. Ballack! Chelsea are on fire. Another beautiful goal.
For Chelsea. Drifted in towards Ballack. Michael Ballack for Chelsea. Puts the tie level. That's what Chelsea wanted. And yet again, it's a Michael Ballack. Drogba. And Ballack!
Added time to Chelsea's advantage here. That's typical Michael Ballack. Stealing in and planting the header. Past Edwin Barr. What a bad cross. What a brilliant header. Michael Ballack gives Chelsea the lead. Ballack. Michael Ballack back on Boxing Day. Chelsea lead 4-3. At Stamford Bridge, Ballack scores. The race is on again. Chelsea.
No problem. And Chelsea, from being a goal behind, have gone 2-1 in front here.
There's almost a little bit for Woodman. Was surprised in the way that he came.
Drogba.
And they have scored. It's Michael Ballack with yet another vital goal in the Barclays Premier League for Chelsea, the hero against Manchester United. And he's put them in front here again at St James's Park.
Hard to tell in the end, didn't it? And this is a brilliant free kick from Didier Drogba.